Alright, spectator, say stop anytime. It's really free, it's not force. Stop. Alright, here? Yes, it's really free. You remember these cards? Yes. Alright, remember this card. This is Kinoclops. Kinoclops putting her like this. It's really free. Of course, this is 8 of Hearts because Kinoclops is center. Look. Snap my finger and Kinoclops here. You remember these cards? Alright. Your cards 6 of spades. 6 of spades putting her like this. Of course, this is not 6 of spades, this is ace of hearts, because 6 of spades may be here. Look, ace of hearts, snap my finger, change your 6 of spades. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today I will teach you really crazy move, crazy card trick, because I teach you center double lift. It's really amazing. It's really unbelievable because spectators the stop anytime, maybe here it's really free, it's not force. You take this card, spectator remember, the 6 of spades put in her, snap your finger, and of course 6 of spades jump top of the deck. It's really crazy, it's really unbelievable because it's really pure sleight of hand, it's really nice move. I like this card move. Yes, it's really crazy because it's really nice, because maybe you take 5, 6, 7, it's really any cards. Yes, it's really true. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, because I showed my classic pass. Look, this is 8 of diamonds. 8 of diamonds, it's really not bad, and now 8 of diamonds here. And next step, share this video with a friend magician. Yes, maybe a friend really magician. And of course, like in this video. Yes, and subscribe. Take deck and teach this really nice move. Let's go. Alright, for the stick you take really any cards because it's double lift. Yes, why not? No setup, any deck, no setup, no sleight of hand. It's really easy to do. No, it's not easy to do. Alright, so you take a deck your left hand like this. Alright, it's really easy move. Alright, and next step, spectator stop anytime. You make move it like this, and spectator stop anytime. It's really free. Stop. Alright. And next step, use this finger, take this pile like this, and take this pile like this. It's really easy. This is step number 1. Alright. This finger here, this finger here, this finger here, here, here. Alright. It's really, really easy. And next step, use this finger, count this pile 2 cards. 1, 2. Alright? 1, 2. It's really easy. 1, 2. 1, 2. Right? Repeat 1, 2. Right. And next step, use this finger, make move it like this. You take these 2 cards, this finger and this and this and this, take this pile. This finger, take these 2 cards, and now you make move it like this, and this pile dropped. Of course, you take these 2 cards, use this and this finger. It's really easy move, right? So stop. Alright, you stop me here. It's really free. Take this pile like this, and now use this finger, count 2 cards. 1, 2. Right? It's really easy. You repeat 1, 2. And next step, you take these 2 cards and now make move it like this. Right? It's really easy move. And now you make move it like this, and this pile drop it like this pile, right? And these 2 cards, you take this finger and this finger. I repeat. Alright, spectator, look, I shuffle. Alright, spectator, I shuffle these cards. You stop me any cards. You're really free. Stop. Alright, you stop me here. Yes, it's really free. Yes, alright. And next step, you take this pile, count 2 cards, make move it like this. This pile, drop it like this. You squeeze these cards, take these cards your right hand like this, and turn over like this. Of course, this is 2 cards. And next step, you show with this card. Spectator, remember these cards. And now you take this finger, take these 2 cards like this. And now you make move it like this. This finger take these cards like this and make move it like this. Alright, look, I repeat. Take these two cards and now use this finger make move it like this. Alright, it's really easy. And now you make move it like this. Take these cards, turn over. Take these cards, put in here like this, snap your finger and show it. Your cards jump top of the deck. Yes, it's really crazy. It's really unbelievable. Alright, spectator, please stop anytime. Stop, alright, you stop me this. Yes, yes. Count two cards, make move it like this. Take these two cards, turn over, show it. Make move it like this, turn over. Of course, this is ace of hearts, put in here like this. Snap your finger and show it your king of spades, jump top of the deck. So guys, please like in this video, it's really unbelievable. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.